Hello, teacher. It is a pleasure to meet you. Our group is made up of Wendy Tatiana Montaño Valverde, Paula Andrea Rossi, Federer Jesús Vanegas Pedraza, Carlos Plaza Taza, and Juliet Marcela Borges Mantilla. That's me. This teaching intervention was carried out at Centro Educativo Niño Jesús de Praga, a private institution located in Santa Cruz de Lorica, Colombia. The school offers education from preschool to secondary levels. The selected group consisted of 6th grade students with an A1 level of English. In this context, the main objective of the lesson was to promote the development of listening comprehension through a sound gap fill activity. The lesson was structured following the 3 stages of a listening lesson: pre-listening, while listening, and post-listening.
Hi, my name is Wendy Montaño and I'm going to talk about the stage that takes place at the beginning of the class, pre-listening. The objective of this first stage is to ensure that the students do not face difficulties when listening, but instead are already familiar with the topic, which will allow them to better understand what is going to be studied. In this class, the topic of weather is worked on through the sun, house, the weather. So the first step is to introduce the topic with vocabulary like sunny, cloudy, windy, as you can see, snowy, rainy, hot, cold, that will appear during the activity. This will give a student a foundation to better understand what they are going to listen to. So to develop this stage, the teacher uses image related to the weather, which helps students understand the meaning of the vocabulary in a more visual and dynamic way. At the same time, students are encouraged to relate the topic to their daily life. So it is not something isolated, but rather something close and easy to understand. For this reason, simple questions are intended to help students start forming an idea of what the song will be about. This allows students to approach the listening activity with some expectations instead of starting from zero. Actively preparing them by using what they already know, which make it easier for them to carry out the main activity.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, teacher.
Guys, today we're going to listen a song about the weather. What is the weather? And here we have a different picture about that. For example, tell me something about the weather.
Windy.
Windy. Windy is about the autumn. For example, in this
Windy.
season. Windy.
Robert.
Is here too. Another.
Sunny.
What?
Sunny.
Sunny. Sunny could be here in spring. Okay.
Snowy.
Snowy. It's in the winter. Okay, good job.
Cloudy.
Cloudy. It's, for example, here in winter. Okay, and now.
Hello, my name is Paula Andrea Rossi. I'm going to explain the while listening stage. The objective of the stage is to develop critical listening comprehension. We don't aim for a student to understand each word in isolation, but rather to learn to identify general idea and specific detail through guides that connect sound with the right language. First, listening. General understanding. The students will listening to the song for the first time to become familiar with the range, melody, and general idea. Second, listening. Gap-filled activity. A student will receive a worksheet with a fill in the blank exercise. The song will be played a second time so they can complete the activity. If necessary, the song will be played at your time.
Okay, and now we're going to listen a song because we have to answer in the end of the video different question, okay? And now we're going to listen. Let's start and pay attention here. Okay guys, and now we're going to listen the song, and you have to pay attention and be concentrated. You have to close your eyes and be quiet. Let's start.
How's the weather? How's the weather today? Let's look outside. What can we say? It is sunny, sunny, sunny today. Hot in the sky. We laugh and we play. It is cloudy, cloudy, cloudy too. Gray in the sky, but we still say woo-hoo. How is the weather? Stay with me. It's sunny or cloudy. Let's see. How is the weather? Come on, let's go. Rain or snow, or wind that blows. It is rainy, rainy, rainy outside. I've got my boots and umbrella wide. It is windy, windy, windy. Oh, hold your hat. The wind will blow. How is the weather? What do you see? Sunny or rainy? Tell me. It's so, 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 and I'm white. Cold and bright, what a pretty sight. It is cold, I wear my coat. I zip it up and sing this note. How is the weather? Let's all say sunny or rainy today. Windy, snowy, cold, hooray. That's the weather song today.
Hello everyone, my name is Feder Vanegas and I am going to talk about the last phase of the listening activity, post-listening. So what is a post-listening activity? In this phase, the objective is to use the knowledge gained from listening to develop other skills, such as speaking or writing. In this sense, after listening to the song, students should identify English words, mostly related to types of weather. Therefore, students will write them on a worksheet, filling the blanks with the missing words. Additionally, students will be encouraged to sing along with the teacher.
And now we're going to write a different word about the song. You have to listen, be careful with this. You have to listen, understand the word, and you have to put in any space, okay? Let's start with this activity.
How's the weather today? Let's look outside. What can we say? It is sunny, sunny, sunny today. Hot in the sky. We laugh and we play. It is cloudy, cloudy, cloudy too. Gray in the sky, but we still say woo-hoo. How is the weather? Stay with me. It's sunny or cloudy. Let's see. How is the weather? Come on, let's go. Rain or snow, or wind that blows. It is rainy, rainy, rainy outside. I've got my boots and umbrella wide. It is windy, windy, windy. Oh, hold your hat. The wind will blow. How is the weather? What do you see? Sunny or rainy? Tell me. It's so, 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 and I'm white. Cold and bright, what a pretty sight. It is cold, I wear my coat. I zip it up and sing this note. How is the weather? Let's all say sunny, cloudy, rainy today. Windy, snowy, cold, hooray. That's the weather song today.
Okay guys, and now we're going to answer the different question here. And now we have different space. For example, weather. Okay, good job. Weather. And this? Blue. Blue, excellent. Here. Sunny. It's sunny, sunny, sunny today. So 3 times. Sunny. Here. Hot. Here. Rainy. It's raining. Or cloudy. Cloudy. It's cloudy. Slowly. Good job. And now I'm going to watch the activity. Okay, good job. Good job. Good job, everyone here. Now we're going to watch here. Okay, good job. Excellent. Excellent. Okay, good job. Excellent. Good job. Good job. Everybody? Excellent.
Overall, the development of the listening lesson through the stages of pre-listening, while listening, and post-listening was fundamental as it helped guide students' comprehension step by step. The song gap fill activity helped students focus on specific words and sounds, enhancing their ability to identify key information, while the word bank made the task more accessible for A1 level learners. All in all, this experience strengthened students' listening comprehension and also encouraged the development of their oral production, while fostering a motivating and, and participatory learning environment. So, thank you very much for your attention, teacher. Bye bye.